inverse proportions is suppose is example of two quantity, that the first x and second y, and relation between x to y is inverse proportions. So that is, suppose make a home, okay, a house, and number of worker is a 10. Okay, the number of worker is 10, will be finished in the work is 2 days. And suppose will number of worker will be increase of the 20, okay, and work will be finished in 1 day. It's mean the one quantity will be increase and second quantity will be decrease. The number of worker is 10, the work will be finished in 2 days, and number of worker is increased 10, increase 20 workers will be done the work in only 1 day. Suppose in second example, in your home is total number of person is 5, okay, and you have 5 person, and a chocolate you have, chocolates you have give the 10 chocolates, in 10 10 banana, okay, each will be getting 2, okay, total number of bananas is 10 and person is 5, each getting to 2. Suppose is 5 is your friend will come, that is the 5 already 2 and 5 will be person come, the total number of person is 10 and banana will distribute each of 1, okay, because banana is a fix of 10. First will be that 5 person, that banana give the 2 banana for each person, but 5 person increase, the number of person will be 10, so distribute the banana will each of the only 1, so that the 5 to 10 is the value of increase, and here it will be a value of decrease, the arrow sign is up. In direct it is that both arrows will be down, increase, but inverse is a one is increase and second is a decrease. Okay, so this type of question, first will we read the question and understand the transaction will be both transaction is increase, the both transaction is decrease, one increase and second decrease. You understand that the direct and inverse, okay, proportions. That one question will we learn, that suppose in 100 students, okay, suppose is a total 100 students and in a school, and the seats distribution species will come to 200 pieces will come, okay, the pieces of 2 of each 200, okay. Suppose in this day is raining fall, yeah, in any problems they come 50 students, in a decrease 50 students are absent, so your pieces increase for the 4, each for getting 4, it means one quantity is down and second quantity is a first is a decrease, and this is the quantity of increase, okay. So this type of transaction is called the inverse proportions. In the question exercise 13.2, question number 1, 2, 3, question number 1 to 3 you solve in your book, and then the question number start to question number 4, in exam time will become the question number 4th to 11th, okay. That question number 4, if a box of seats divided in 24 children will get 5 seats of each children's, okay, how many will be each getting is the number of children is reduced by 4. It's mean the number of children will be reduced by 4. So you write here that number of children and number of sweets, okay, and make a table. it is called that two part. Number of children is first will be 24, they 5 seats each, and 4 reduce means only 20 students, and number of seats will be getting each of x. Okay, it's mean it is, you write it is, suppose this is the quantity of capital X and then the capital Y. Okay, it is the inverse proportions okay. It's mean that the formula of x into y is equal to, in the formula of x y into x1 y1 x2 y2 is the transaction of two quantity will be last direct inverse. A direct quantity is a x upon y, here will be x into y. So this is the first quantity is x and second is a y. So here it is the direct means 24 into 5 okay is equal to 20 into x, and last direct will be 20 upon 5. They write 24 into 5 upon 20 is equal to x. Okay, so this is a 1 is 4, 4 6 12. It means value of 6 is a 6 seats. 6 seats of each student will getting. Okay, the 6 seats will be getting in the each students. Okay, next question number 5. Question number 5, a farmer has on food of field of 20 animals. Okay, they are purchased the food for the animals, the number of animals is 20, he is the caterer of the 6th day. It means that they purchase the foods of the 20 animals in 6th day. How long to feed the foods? Cost of the day were a 10 more than animal. The number of animal previous number is 20 and 10 more than means suppose the number of animal will be increased and 10 is 30 animal. So how many days will we use the cattles? Okay, so there is a number of animal and second quantity will be day. Make a table. Okay, number of animal will be 20, the number of day is a 6, and 10 more means you write 20 plus 10. Okay, and number of day is a x. This is the value of capital X and this is the value of capital Y. Okay, अब here in it was not possible that the number of my fooding material will be 6 day and number of animals will be increased 10, their number of day is decrease. Okay, so it is inverse inverse proportions. Okay, that means x y. Okay, so you write 20 into 6 is equal to 30 into x. So 20 into 6 upon 30 is equal to x. 0 0 cancel, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. So that is the 4 is equal to x, means number of day is 4 day. Okay, it's mean the he is purchasing the material of the fooding in the for animal. They are first will be 20 animals will be 6 day, the number of increase the 10 is 30 animals, suppose will be 30 animals, so that only 4 days will be material, after 4 days will be again will be purchased. Question number 6, a contractor estimate that the 3 person could reside of the Jasminder house is 4 days. Okay, it's mean 3 person will work on the house of Jasminder is 4 days. If use the 4 person inside the 3 person के place पे, that is the use the 4 person, how long should they are like a complete the work? So you make a table is a person, and second is a day. Okay, and first quantity will be capital X and a Y. Okay, now person will number of person, a number of person is 3, the number of day is a 4, but number of person will be increase, place of 3 is a 4, that is the value of X. So you write it is inverse, because their quantity will be increase, this the quantity is increase and this the quantity is decrease. Inverse proportions okay, so that right, it's the value of X into Y. Okay, so that 3 into 4 is equal to 4 into X, and directly cut 4 to 4, it means value of X is 3, it means 3 days. The work is complete on 3 days. Okay, question number 7. A batch of the bottle with the packet packed in 25 box with the 12 box in each. Total number of box is 25 and each box will be 12 bottles. Okay, if the same packets, no change the size of the box in the packet, will using the 20 bottles, so how many box will be increase, yeah, decrease. Okay, so you write number of box and number of bottles. Okay, first will be quantity capital X, that capital Y, first bracket, and second number of box is 25 and packets bottle is 12. Okay, and number of bottles will be 20, the number of box is X, they are wrote the small x. Okay, now it is inverse proportions it's mean that the formula is X into Y. X into Y means 25 into 12 is equal to X into 20. You find the value of X. So 25 into 12 upon 20 is equal to 25. 5 4 is 20 and 5 5 is 25. 4 1 is 4, 4 3 is 12. It's mean the value of X is equal to 15 boxes. Okay, next question is question number 8. A factory request to 42 machines in produce the given number of article is 63 days. Okay, some article will be made by the 42 machine is 63 days, and how many machine will be required to the product of same number of article in 54 days. Okay, the article are same. First will be use the 42 machine, the number of days will be 33 and the number will be increase, a decrease, number will be decrease, it's mean the machine will be increase. So it is the right number of machines and day. Okay, that the value of X and this is the value of Y. That first will be machine is 42, the number of days is 33. This is called the number of day is 42, that the machine is increase, you decrease. So it is a it is inverse proportions increase proportions. It's the value of x into y. X into y means it is the 42 into 63 is equal to 54 into x. Okay, now 42 into 63 upon 54 is equal to x. Now 2 to the 4, 2 7 the 14, 2 1 2 to the 2 1 the 2 is 3 7 the 21, 7 3 9 the 27, and 9 1 the 9, and 7 time of 63. That the value of x is equal to 7 into 7, that x is equal to 49 number of machines. Okay, this means their work will be done by the 54 days in required machine is 49. Question number 9. Question number 9. A car take 2 hours. A car take 2 hours reach in the distance of the traveling at the speed of 60 km per hour. How long will we take a distance a travel to the speed is 80 km. First will we drive the car in the speed of 60 km, and second will be in destination point. You reach the destination point is 2 hours, and suppose your car speed is increase is 80 km per hour, so your time is increase or decrease, always decrease na. So that is the value of x and y. First will be that is the speed, okay, and second is a time is a hours, speed is a kilometer per hour. Okay, now make a table. Here will be write speed. First will be speed 60, the time is 2 hours, and speed will be increase 80, time is a x. Okay, it's mean it is inverse proportions. Okay, it's the value of x, y. This is the very important formula of x and y. It means 60 into 2 is equal to 80 into x. So that 60 into 2 upon 80 is equal to x. 0 0 cancel, 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8. Okay, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 2, and 1.5. It's mean the value of x is 1.5 hours. Actually time is equal to 1.5 hours. First will be speed is 60, where 260 km per hour, the time is 2, but speed will be increase is 80 km per hour, the time will be to the 1.5. Now question number 10. Question number 10 is asked, a 2 person could fit a new window in a 3 days. Okay, 2 person will could fit a new window in the house is 3 days. In the 2 question, first question will be one of the person will fail in the before they start the work. How long will they like a job on the new? Before start the work, one person will be left. And second way, how many person will would the need fit the window in 1 day? Second question is asked कि respect of 3 days you have work will be done by the 1 day, how many person will be required? So the value of x and y that number of person and day. Okay, the number of person and day into first table, and this is the first question. Here is a second question. This is the first question and this is the second question. Number of days person is 2, the number of days is 3, but first question is asked, one person will be left, means one person is left, means 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 and number of days. And second question is, how many person will be required, the number of days is 1. Okay, so that it is inverse proportions. It's mean that the value of x into y. Okay, it's mean first will we solve 2 into 3 is equal to 1 into x, because number is 1. Okay, so that the 6 is equal to x, means number of day is 6. Then we solve second, again be 2 into 3, x into y and x into 1. It means 6 is equal to x. That number of person will required to finish the work is 1 day is a 6. Question number 11. Question number 11 is related to you. A school has 8 periods a day, each of the 45 minutes duration. How long to put each period will be if the school has 9 periods? Okay, but assume that number of the school hours to be same. Number of hour will be, school time is not increase, but to adjust 8 period to 9 period and time is 45 to adjust to increase or decrease. So obviously 8 period to 9 period, then the timing of the period is decrease, that x and y. Okay, first quantity u, number of periods, and time in minutes. This table is complete. Now number of period is 8, the time is 45, and number of period 9, the time is x. It is inverse proportions. Okay, it's the x and y. It means 8 into 45 is equal to 9 into x. That 8 into 45 upon 9, that the value of x. 9 1 is 9, 9 5 is 45. It means value of x is equal to 8 into 5 and x is equal to 40, means that the period timing of period is 40 minutes of each period. Okay. Peace.